What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today, I'm going to show you how to delete emails on Gmail. Now, I'm on mobile, but it is very similar if you're on desktop as well. As you can see here, I'm just going to choose a random email from my eBay account here. And in order to do this, you can see at the top, in the top right corner, there is a toolbar, and there's 4 different icons. The one second to the left is going to be a trash icon. You could just hit that, and then automatically it's going to delete it. If you accidentally deleted something you don't want to delete, you could see at the bottom there that there's a button to undo it, and it'll undo it. And you could just see again, you just hit the trash icon and the email deletes. It doesn't delete permanently, it actually goes to your trash folder, and then after a certain amount of time, I believe it is 30 days, it'll delete permanently. So make sure that you actually want to delete it. If you don't want to delete it, you could alternatively also archive it. That just moves it completely out of your folder and adds it to your archives. This is great if you're not sure you want to delete it permanently, but you also don't want it clogging up your email. And then you could just go to your archive folder and dig it out if you really want to. That's pretty much all there is to it though. If you were confused or you had any questions on how deletion for Gmail works, be sure to comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.